What's up, boy? Back once again. Sitting under the Ranger. Picked me up this plug and play light. Looks like it definitely plugs in right here. So this is the back of the Ranger, of course. There's exhaust. Gotta get rid of that other thing. Then right here you have a dummy plug. Well, you got this plug that's in this dummy outlet. So you got this extra outlet here from the factory. And our light, of course, is plug and play. There's our outlet. It's gonna snap right in. Now, I wanna say, and I hope, we're gonna find out together, that this light only comes on when we put the Ranger in reverse. And I would hope this would come on, and I'm thinking about mounting it right here. So I would drill a hole right there and mount it right there. So I'm hoping that when we put this in reverse, this will come on. If it comes on when we turn the lights on, the headlights on, then that's going to be an issue, because it's going to blind everybody that's behind me. So we're going to find out together. We're going to drill our hole, plug this in, fire it up, see what happens. It's really windy out here today. So we're going to just pop that dummy plug out. And that bad boy will just plug right in. And there we go. Plug and play. So now we just need to drill our hole. Alright. Got our trusty DeWalt here. See if we can get a hole in this frame. Oh, yeah, didn't think it was gonna be that easy. We got a clamp in. Let's slide the light on through. Keep that sucker good and tight. All right, now we got the light installed. Let's see what happens when we just turn on the lights, and hopefully that light does not come on too. So here we go. The light's on. All right, cool deal. So lights did not come on when I turned the headlights on. The rear light did not come on. So let's throw in reverse, see what happens. How awesome is that? Now we got a LED reverse light, and you need those on the trails. As you can see, It's lit up. Just throw it in reverse and it comes on. And I'm gonna angle that down a little more. So now we have us a reverse light in the Ranger. Now we have a reverse light for those dark nights on the trails. Now we can definitely get it out the mud.